How to get clear, flawless and spotless skin using Vaseline and persimmon leaves. This is an effective remedy for clear and flawless skin. Any mention of age spots among the lady circle invariably makes them frown with worries. An age spots covered face does not only make the skin look dim and yellow, but appear much older standing in a group. Here I would like to introduce to you a wonderful age spots eradication method which has been tested and found to be very effective. This is the use of Vaseline and persimmon leaves. Ingredients: 30 grams persimmon leaves, 30 grams Vaseline. Method of preparation: 1. Pluck some green tender persimmon leaves, wash with water, and dry them under the shade. 2. Grind the dried persimmon leaves into powder form, then mix with similar amount of Vaseline evenly. 3. Use the mixture to rub on the age spots daily for 15 minutes. After that, wash with water. Effect: Although different types of skin have different absorption ability, generally after 10-15 days of continuous use, you will see the spots fading. The reason of using persimmon leaves: according to Chinese medicine, persimmon leaves contain amino acids, vitamins, ruthenium, tannin, etc. and are able to effectively fight bacteria and act as anti-inflammatory agent besides promoting blood circulation and enhancing beauty and removing age spots. Vaseline has the ability to retain moisture. It also helps to enhance the good effect of persimmon leaves on the skin. Persimmon leaves can be used not only for the face, they can also be used to brew hot drink. It has amazing beauty enhancing effect. Benefit of persimmon leaves drink: 1. For body cooling and thirst quenching. 2. Increase body's immunity against cancer and epidemic diseases. 3. To lower blood lipids, prevent hardening of cerebral arteries and coronary heart disease. 4. Soften the blood vessels and increase their elasticity besides regulating the blood pressure. 5. Acts as diuretic laxative, anti-swelling medicine and helps to lose weight. 6. Soothes nerves, enhance beauty and causing age spots to subside according to Chinese medicine. How take persimmon leaves. Take 10 grams persimmon leaves, wash with water, tear into small pieces and brew with hot water in a kettle. If you like video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.